Now then, morning. Well, we have a little issue with the chickies at the moment. I mean, this is the first time I've owned chickies and obviously raised them. So last April we got 10 chickies, all a couple of weeks old. And now obviously we're into October, so they're 7 months old. Yesterday, I think it was the day before, I noticed one of them was lying on its side with its both legs at the same position out, and it couldn't get up. So I went into the coop and obviously check it out, had a look, lifted it up, and then within, I don't know, a few seconds or so, it did stand up and it was like wobbling away. Now they've all just started laying, so the problem I think could only be two issues. One is that obviously she's a young chick and it's the first time, and she's egg bound. So yesterday Anna and I checked her out, looking at her feathers, her skin, and Anna tried to feel for an egg that may be stuck. Couldn't feel anything, and I did actually catch her on the side, because one of the cocks had obviously been doing his business and she just collapsed, basically like paralysed. Now I don't know whether it's because she's been done too many times, bless her, that's what's caused it, or she may have the Mareks disease, which I'm probably led to think. Anyway, I took her out of the coop last night and I've separated her from the flock, because obviously if it is Mareks, I don't want them to rest of the flock to catch it. So let's go and have a look at her, shall we? I mean, the other thing I've noticed with her is that she's head shaking as well. And as you can see, she's really quite distressed. I don't know if you can hear can you see the head shaking? And she's very unstable on her feet. Yeah, I know, sweetheart. So I think at some point today we'll try some hot water and salt and see if it is egg bound. I mean, she could have an egg stuck, and if that doesn't work, then I think I'm going to have to assume it's Mareks disease, and we're going to have to dispatch her, unfortunately. So that's what's going on at the moment with the chickens. But yeah, she's very, very lethargic, very unbalanced. She's still struggling to stand. Yeah. Put that back on. Don't want to see chickens suffer, do we? So, little bit annoying, if I'm honest. I mean, I know Mareks disease is pretty common, but it's just not nice to see it. I mean, obviously we've got the chickens to feed us, you know, we've got them for eggs and we've got them for food, so, you know, they're not pets, but it's still not nice. So yeah, we'll see what we can do today. Try that out, and may work, may not. But hopefully it's only her, there's only one of them, because the rest of them are healthy as hell. Aren't you, chickies? Hmm? Yeah, especially you. Big boy. Anyway, that'll do for now, and I'll put some more information later on to see if we've managed anything.